Why a remote tech portfolio matters.
A strong digital portfolio is essential for landing remote tech jobs. It showcases your skills, sets you apart from other candidates, and gives recruiters evidence of what you can do, especially important when working from afar. A well-crafted portfolio acts as your online resume, highlighting your abilities, projects, and initiative, and making you memorable to hiring managers in a competitive job market.
Choosing the right projects to showcase.
Select projects that demonstrate your core skills and adaptability. Prioritize real-world work, open-source contributions, freelance gigs, hackathons, and collaborative tools, especially those relevant to your target role. Focus on quality over quantity and include detailed write-ups describing your problem-solving approach, technologies used, and your specific contributions. This tells a compelling story recruiters can easily understand and value.
Building and organizing your portfolio.
Create a clean, easy-to-navigate personal website or use a reputable portfolio platform. Organize your work by categories such as web apps, mobile tools, or data projects. Make sure each project has a brief description, links to live demos or repositories, and visuals like screenshots. Don't forget to include an About Me section and your contact information to foster trust and accessibility.
Highlighting remote collaboration skills.
Remote teams value communication, self-management, and collaboration. Include evidence of teamwork, like GitHub contributions, asynchronous project write-ups, or testimonials from past collaborators. Explain how you've used version control, project management tools, or remote workflows. Emphasize your ability to deliver results independently while working effectively with distributed teams.
Keeping your portfolio fresh and relevant.
Regularly update your portfolio to reflect your latest work and skills. Add new projects, certifications, or blog posts that showcase ongoing learning. Remove outdated work that no longer represents your best abilities. Active maintenance signals to recruiters that you're engaged, staying current in your field, and serious about your remote tech career goals.